In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in FlutterFlow. We'll be building a simple upload flow that lets a user pick an image, preview it on the page, and optionally prepare it to send to your backend afterward. This is a great pattern to use when you want users to upload profile photos, product images, or any other visual content inside your app. Start by opening FlutterFlow and loading the project where you want this upload feature to live. Once you're inside the page editor, drag an image widget onto the page. Then add a button as well, or if you prefer a cleaner interface, you can use a container styled like an upload icon. The idea is simple. The image widget will display the selected file, and the button or icon will trigger the upload action. Next, select the image widget and set its image path to use widget state, then choose uploaded local file. This tells FlutterFlow to display the file that the user selects during runtime instead of a fixed image asset or network URL. It's the key connection that makes the preview update automatically after the upload action runs. After that, add a conditional builder so the image widget only appears when there is an active uploaded local file. If there isn't one yet, show a default placeholder instead. This makes the interface feel much more polished because users will either see their selected image or a clear empty state visual before anything has been uploaded. Now select your button or upload trigger and open the action flow editor. Add a new action and choose Upload Save Media. In the action settings, set the upload type to local upload using widget state. This means the selected media will first be stored locally in the widget state, which is perfect for immediate preview and temporary handling before any backend upload happens. Then configure the media source. You can allow users to choose from the gallery, use the camera, or give them both options. Also make sure to specify that you want to allow photo uploads. That keeps the selection focused and helps avoid confusion if your screen is only intended for images. Finally, if needed, once the media has been uploaded locally, you can push it to your backend. That part is optional, but it's useful when you want to permanently store the image in a database or cloud storage after the user has selected it. And that's the full setup. You now have a clean FlutterFlow upload experience with local preview, a fallback placeholder, and the option to connect it to your backend when you're ready.